Monk Mode for Money, a 90-day focus plan to increase income in 2026. Calm, confident tone. Most people don't need a miracle. They need 90 days without noise. Monk Mode for Money is not about hiding from life. It's about turning down everything that doesn't pay you back, so you can turn up the few moves that do. In the next 15 minutes, you'll get a simple, ruthless plan to raise your income in 90 days. Phase 1. Attention and leaks. Stop losing money to distraction. Phase 2. Skill and offer. Build one offer people pay for. Phase 3. Systems and scale. Turn wins into a machine. If you've ever said, "I'm busy but not better," this one is for you. Let's begin. 130. What Monk Mode really means. Monk Mode isn't punishment. It's a temporary environment where your best work can happen. For 90 days, you'll have 3 commitments. Design your attention so you can think. Ship daily proof that moves money. Protect your future with automation and boundaries. You will still eat, sleep, see people, even rest. You will simply stop feeding noise and start feeding leverage. 330. The income equation, so we don't lie to ourselves. Income rises when 3 variables improve. Attention, X. Skill, X. Offer. Attention. Can you hold focus long enough to create? Skill. Can you produce something useful, fast? Offer. Can you package it so people pay now? Monk Mode targets all 3 in order. First, we fix attention and kill leaks. Then, we level skill and craft one offer. Then we install systems so results compound. Phase 1, days 130. Attention and leaks. Goal, buyback hours, stop losing cash, and start shipping daily. Daily anchor. 1. First 10, last 10. Morning, first 10 minutes. No phone. Water, light. 2 slow breaths. Write 1 line. Today's proof. Chatrachis. Night, last 10 minutes. Dim lights. Park tomorrow's top 3 tasks. Layout tools, clothes, 2 slow breaths. Your day stops reacting and starts directing. Daily anchor. 2. Power hour. Same time every day. 60 minutes. No alerts. This hour must ship. 5 targeted outreach messages, or 1 offer page improved, or 1 video short recorded, or 1 portfolio case written, or 1 deliverable sent to a real person. We track a proof count. 1 shipped thing, 1 sure 1 point. Daily anchor. 3. 1 decision wallet replace? Don't add. 30. Use test. 24-hour rule for $50. Wish list, Wednesday review. Why? Because money stress kills creative focus. This makes your money boring so your work can be exciting. Weekly anchor. Sunday money. Ritual. 15 minutes. Invest check. Auto invest 10-15% to freedom fund hit. Snapshot 5 lines. Income. Auto invest YN. Subs canceled or added. Spending saves. Freedom fund balance. Unsubscribe. Sprint, kill, or right size 1 bill. Move the savings the same day. Leak killers. Do these in week 1. Delete saved cards in browsers. Log out of shopping sites. Remove one-click checkout. Turn off retail notifications. Rotate streaming. Keep 1, pause the rest. Renegotiate 1 bill using this script. I like the service. I'm reviewing my budget. What's the best rate to stay? Any retention offers? Can you waive the annual fee today? Output. Promise for phase 1. 30. Proof points in 30 days. Freedom Fund funded weekly. At least $300-800 a year saved from canceling, renegotiating. 1 quiet brain that can finally build. Beat. When attention is back under your control, money gets easier to make. Now, we make something people will pay for. 630, 1030, phase 2, days 3160. Skill and offer. Goal, choose 1 money skill, build 1 productized offer. Start collecting yes/no answers daily. Pick 1 skill you can learn and deliver in weeks, not years. Writing, chart, copy, sales pages, emails, ad scripts. Video editing, shorts, UGC, reels, YouTube shorts. Design, thumbnails, fast creative that converts. Analytics, performance, dashboards, audits. Outreach, appointment setting, pipeline building. Automation, no-code, Zapier, forms, basic bots. The 30-30 split. Daily. 30 minutes, learn. A course. 1 focused tutorial. Reverse engineering, 1 result. 30 minutes ship. Apply the lesson to your offer or a real prospect. Learning that doesn't ship is entertainment. Design a productized offer name, clear and tangible. Example, Shorts Engine, 12 edited shorts in 7 days. Scope, what's included and what's not. Timeline, start and delivery windows. Price, fixed fee, starter tier, plus pro tier. Proof, 2 to 3 sample before, job afters, or mini case. Offer examples. Copy, landing page, lift. Rewrite your page in 72 hours. Video, reels, sprint. 15 reels in 14 days. Design, click-through thumbs, 10 thumbnails in 5 days. Analytics, funnel, health check. Audit plus action plan in a week. Outreach, 30 leads in 30 days. Warm intros plus scripts. Automation, onboarding in a box. Forms, emails, calendar in 48 hours. Pipeline rule, 5 a day send. 5 targeted messages, day for 30 days. People already posting but inconsistent. Small businesses with bad pages, creators with messy links, shops with no email capture, local pros with no booking flow. Message template, loved your specific asset. Quick win, 1 concrete fix. I run, offer name, result in time. Here are 2 examples. Link, want me to run this for you next week? Handle objections. Price, happy to start with the starter tier and prove the ROI in 7 days. Time, we handle everything async with 1 kickoff form. Trust, here's a 3-slide before, after. If it misses, I'll revise. Scope creep, that's outside this package, can add as an upgrade. Output promise for phase 2. At least 150 outreach messages sent. 1 refined offer page or doc done. 1 3 paid tests or first clients in motion. A calendar that shows creation before coordination. Beat. You have proof and a package. Now we make it repeatable. 1030, 1330, phase 3. Days, 6190. Systems and scale. Goal, reduce chaos, increase capacity, nudge prices up. System 1. Delivery templates, standard intake form, standard checklist, standard file structure, standard done summary. Templates create speed, speed creates margin. System 2. Weekly rhythm, client day, knockout deliverables, batch communications. Build day, improve your offer, assets, examples. Pipeline day, outreach, referrals, collabs, case studies. System 3. Pricing ladder. First 3 clients at founder's rate. When at capacity, raise 20%. Add pro tier with speed or extras. Build a tiny retainer option for ongoing work. System 4. Evidence machine. Before, after screenshots. Simple metrics. Views, CTR, replies, bookings, revenue impact. 3-slide case format you can send instantly. System 5. Personal energy. Body first. Sleep, water, 10-minute walk daily. Focus blocks. 2x 90 minutes deep work. Meetings after lunch. Quit times. Protect evenings. Tomorrow needs a brain. Output. Promise for phase 3. Clean workflow that can handle more clients with less stress. A price bump justified by speed plus evidence. A repeatable weekly engine that ships and sells. I missed a day. I failed. Miss once, not twice. Streaks forgive a single drop. I'm overwhelmed. Cut scope. Half deliverables are better than 0. Family friends want my time. Script, I'm on a 90-day focus sprint. I'll be more present after X. This helps me help us. A client asks for extras. Reply, that's beyond this package. Happy to add it as an upgrade. I'm tempted to shop. Water, walk. Write 1 line. Tomorrow, 10 case. I'll decide. If it doesn't compound, it consumes. 14-45, 15-30, your 90-day scoreboard, what to track. Proof count, 1 shipped item or day. Outreach, sent 5 day, 25 week. Freedom Fund, balance rising weekly. Auto invest, hit, yes, no on payday. Clients closed, number plus revenue. Energy check, sleep score or step count. Protect the engine. For 90 days, I will. Guard my mornings and nights, ship 1 proof point daily, send 5 messages daily, pay future me first, learn, then apply every day. Choose rooms that clap, not manage. Monk mode isn't isolation, it's alignment. Turn the noise down, turn the income up. Build something that pays you even when you're resting. If this gave you a plan, like the video so it finds the people who need it. Subscribe for weekly psychology you can use. Share this with the friend you want next to you when you're both free. This is Brainwave. Quiet decisions, loud results.